shaving is a fast way to remove unwanted hair. It's also notorious for leaving behind patches of irritated, inflamed skin known as razor burn or bumps known as ingrown hairs. This may occur anywhere you shave, from your legs to your underarms. What are razor bumps? Razor bumps are a type of skin irritation that's often associated with shaving. It leaves behind itchy, painful, puss-filled bumps on the skin as the hair starts to grow back. Razor bumps are more common in those who have coarse or curly hair. How is it different than razor burn? Razor burn is a type of skin irritation that occurs right after you shave. Razor bumps develop once the hair starts growing back in. Razor burn is commonly a result of dry shaving, using old razors, or shaving in the opposite direction than the hair grows. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is known for soothing and healing burns. To treat razor burn, apply a thin layer of pure aloe vera gel onto the affected area. Aloe vera gel is available in most pharmacies. You can also harvest it from an aloe plant. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is used in cooking, but it's also great for your skin. To treat razor burn, apply a thin layer of organic expeller pressed coconut oil to the inflamed area. Sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is made from dried almond kernels. It's super emollient and a great natural moisturizer. Try applying sweet almond oil to your skin after shaving. You may also apply it directly to inflamed skin as needed. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is an astringent and anti-inflammatory, thanks in part to its tannin content. It's used as a natural remedy to soothe burns, relieve pain, treat minor skin irritation. Apply to razor burn with a cotton pad as needed. How to prevent future razor burn and ingrown hairs. Allot plenty of time so you're not rushed. Lather up with shaving cream before shaving. Shave in a warm shower or bath to soften hair. Exfoliate before shaving. Stick with short, light strokes. Shave in the same direction hair grows. Don't go over the same area more than once. Rinse the blade regularly between strokes. Rinse off the area completely after shaving. Don't shave every day. Don't use old razors. Switch to a new blade after every 5 to 7 shaves. Keep your razor clean. Dry it off and store it in a dry place.